What's up everybody, Jack here from Half Chrome, and yes, the new Mini 4 Pro is out, and we're going to talk about three things. One, what is the DJI Mini 4? Two, who should buy the Mini 4? And three, who should avoid it? Let's go. So if the Mini 3 Pro and the DJI Air 3 were to have a baby, the result would be the Mini 4 Pro. It basically has some of the upgrades that we put in this guy, the Air 3, including the omnidirectional optical avoidance and the O4 system. Those are really the two big upgrades that the Mini 4 Pro got. The Mini 3 Pro does have optical avoidance, but these sensors point straight out and straight back, whereas the Air 3 sensors have kind of this angle. It's a wider angle lens, so you're going to get a 360-degree view. And the new Mini 4 uses that same system. That is a nice upgrade, but it's not super significant because I already do have some obstacle avoidance on here. Is it better? Absolutely. The biggest improvement is actually the O4 transmission system. We went from the O3 or the O3 Plus to the O4. We're getting 20,000 meters. That's over 12 miles of range. Now, no, you're not going to fly your tiny little mini drone 12 miles away, but it just gives you a better, crisp, clean signal that's going to penetrate through other Wi-Fi, noisy environments and things like that. So definitely a nice upgrade. A lot of premium drones have this light on the bottom, and the 3 Pro does not. Now the 4 Pro does. So the camera also gets an upgrade. We're going to be able to shoot 4K 100 frames a second instead of just limited to the 4K 60 that the Mini 3 Pro does. They even threw a nice little prop holder, which I was kind of bummed that they didn't have with the 3 or the 3 Pro, so nice little touch there. Some markets will have the ability to add a LTE or a 5G module so you can fly over a really long connection, but I don't see that coming in the US. That was an option for this guy, the Mavic 3, but that never came to the United States, so I don't anticipate it here as well. You're going to get moderate improvements in software and firmware that they probably, some will come to the 3 series, some will not. They just want to kind of differentiate. I anticipate the prices on the Mini 3 Pro to drop. And if that's the case, you may want to consider it. Now, if you can get a Mini 3 Pro for like $100 less than the 4 Pro, that might be a deal. I imagine what DJI is going to do is just kind of kill off the 3 Pro. I think the 2 SE, the 3, and the 4 Pro are going to be kind of their 3 sub 250 gram drones. Now, you do want a sub 250 gram drone because you don't have to fly in a FRIA. You don't have to worry about remote ID. Remote ID is still coming, and drones that are less than 250 grams, you don't have to worry about it. So first, who is this drone not for? Really, anybody that has a Mini 3 Pro, a Mini 3, or even an Air 3, it really does fall somewhere in between these two drones, and it's not really a significant upgrade, and it would still be a downgrade from the Air 3, so don't bother with it if you own one of these two drones. Now, there are two people that I think it's actually a really good option for. One is the average Joe, right? If you're looking for a good beginner drone, yeah, it is. Now, do you need something that powerful? Could you get by with the Mini 3? Absolutely. Actually, I suggest you go with the DJI Mini 2 SE. That's more than good enough for most people, but if you kind of want the best under 250 grams, yeah, the Mini 4 Pro is now that drone. The other person that I think needs to consider this drone is the professional. Yeah, you heard me right. A professional photographer should have this drone as a backup, actually. Because this drone is so small and so capable, it's a great drone to keep in your case right alongside your professional drone, right? I keep it in here with my Mavic 3, and when I go out on a shoot, I've got that as a backup drone. It doesn't take up a whole lot of space, and if I had to get, B-roll or something else, absolutely more than capable. So is the Mini 4 the best mini drone out there? Yes. Should everybody buy it? No. It's a moderate upgrade from the Mini 3 Pro, a moderate downgrade from the Air 3, but still a pretty solid option if you don't have a drone and you're looking to get into the hobby. I hope that was helpful. Good luck, everyone, and happy flying.